Hello, hello, hello. We're back, and let us continue. So I believe we're about to call. So we have taken our data. We know what shape it's in. We have, in the last step, assigned it to our author data array, and we've console logged it, so we know what it looks like on the screen. So cool. Now we're going to take that and we're actually going to call the function, which is this, which allows us to, for each of the elements, stick in a div which will contain data about the author. So let's see what the steps are. We need to be calling the display element once again. You don't want to populate the page with all the authors at once. Instead, you can extract a portion of the authors with the starting index and ending index variables. This is the slice array method. Okay. So we're going to remove the console log statement. Alright, so let's see what slice does again. That'd be good to remember. I've heard more that MDN is the better one to use. I just find W3 Schools is easier for me to read. So call slice. It has a shallow copy of a portion of an array into an array object, and the start to end. Or start and end represent. Okay, so we're going to use slice to do only, say, 0 to 7 or 0 to the first 8 for each one. Okay. Good. Let's remove this. I have a feeling. I'm still gonna need that. So you can see we've already stuck in a bunch of them. I'm going to change this with a splice. Oh, I need that on here. Yeah. So this should only give us 8. Yep. I need to splice the actual array, not the entire output. So we're only actually doing a bunch of these. Now we need to control the indexes such that we are grabbing the next set. So let's see how we do that. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I'm doing splice, not slice. Huh. So, how come I'm getting 8? That's interesting. That's very interesting. It's very interesting that that was working with splice and not slice. If it was indeed, so yeah, it is. Is there a dot splice? I don't know. Well, either way, cool. Now create an image tag and give it the class user image. Set the source attribute to the image you destructed earlier. Set alt to author followed by text avatar. The space between author variable and the word avatar. Okay. Right, so let's create that image tag. We're within the div, which is within the function. So I think we're one more tab in. Does image have a end? I think image is self terminating. Let me just check. Image. Yes, it is self-terminating. Okay. I don't even think that's the right word for it, but alas, here we are. So we want source. Well, let's add the class first. Class is equal to user image. Source is equal to image. Nice, nice. Alt is equal to the author again. Avatar. I think that's that. Okay, show biographical details. The bio is checked earlier. Add a paragraph element. Alright, so we're in 3. So we'll add a paragraph element. And go to class. File. Nice. Cool. I'm actually going to end there because I'm going to go rest. I'm going to try and get up early, hit the gym, start the week right. So let's do one more. So I think we're about to finish. We've only got URL left to incorporate. So we're going to finish it soon. So one more step. This also gives you a chance to be reminded to become a supporter, which is always a good thing to do. You know, it's such a great bit of kit. So next, add a link to the author's page and free code account news. Add an anchor element. Anchors are not self-terminated, I don't believe. I don't believe they are. Class is equal to the author link. href is equal to URL. I think that should do it. Oh, sorry. There's one more element there, target. What's that element? One more attribute. Cool. Alright, I'm going to leave this here. Because now I'm going to implement sort of sorting out the starting and ending index to pick up the next branch. I'm going to do that tomorrow. So keep showing up, guys.